So ahorita voy a llevar la Lightning a Mendes Painting porque ya me la van a pintar. I think primero le van a arreglar la diferencial y unas cositas mecánicas here and there. Tailgate, ahí tengo el nuevo. Me llegó hace poquito. I'm gonna go take it right now and yeah, I'm gonna see what they say. They already know I'm going, so should be good. So basically, they said that the fastest I could get out was in 2 weeks, and which is alright. But I think I'm gonna tell them, since today's May 26th, I'm gonna tell them that they could give it back to me on my birthday. That's fine with me, as long as it's not past my birthday, because my birthday's in July 10th. Cumplo los 21. Agarrar una peda maciza y chocarle ese mismo día. Nah. You guys get hella leftover paint, huh? What the fuck? Oh, it's the old one.
Así va a quedar tu truck, ¿cómo ves?
Fuck that shit. This is the crashed one of that? Yes,
That's the one you brought. That's the one you brought, man.
Oh, yeah?
Me hizo bien feo.
I bet.
¿Qué dices?
Sí, brilla bonito, You guys had leftover paint or what?
That's your paint.
Alright.
Gonna do fucking, He's gonna get a rag from the tin apple.
¿Polvo?
Yeah, it's got polvo.
That's the one you guys had in it?
What is it?
That's the one you guys showed me?
No sé cuál I wasn't here to.
Fuck. Can't see shit.
It's fucking just dirty as hell. Tiene harto polvo. Mira. Pero mira.
Oh yeah. That's the one you showed me?
Ajá.
Perro.
What do you think?
Looks nice.
Párate de aquí. Or either I can put a little bit more of pearls, pero I think that's fucking plenty, dude.
No, I think that looks good.
Mira.
¿De qué color son los pearls?
Son ¿De cuál le eché? De los delgaditos de los silver y what other fucking pearl que le eché? Both, no? The thin and thick, the silver. Yeah. Porque eso también tiene que ver mucho de qué pearl le echas porque te cambia el color.
The size?
Sí. Yeah, the size. He had a little mix.